Hi, here is Social Innovation Insight, where we inspire individuals and drive change. In February 2023, HMD Global, the parent company of Nokia, introduced the Nokia G22 phone, which is the first phone that can be easily repaired by users. This innovative step towards the circular economy aligns with the European Commission's Green New Deal, which aims to achieve a circular economy in the bloc by 2050. Based on S report by the United Nations University reveals that in 2019, 53.6 million metric tons of electronic waste was generated worldwide, with mobile phones contributing to 7% of the total electronic waste generated. The number of smartphones sold in 2020 was estimated to be over 1.5 billion, a significant portion of which is likely to be discarded or recycled each year. The BBC reported that in 2022, 5.3 billion mobile phones were thrown away internationally, with only slightly over 17% of the world's e-waste is properly recycled. When phones and other electronics are discarded in landfills, they can release toxic chemicals into the environment, contaminating the soil, air, and water. This improper disposal also poses health risks to humans, as exposure to hazardous chemicals like lead, mercury, and cadmium can be harmful. Additionally, discarded phones contribute to greenhouse gas emissions like methane, which can exacerbate climate change. To make matters worse, when valuable materials like copper, silver, gold, and palladium are not recycled from these devices, it leads to further depletion of natural resources. However, current electronic waste recycling methods are not only expensive but also labor-intensive and rely solely on manufacturers to change their recycling practices. This Nokia G22 phone presents a solution to this problem as it allows users to replace several of its features, including its back cover, battery, screen, and charging port, and is 30% cheaper to repair than to purchase a new phone. This can extend the lifespan of the phone, reduce the number of phones that end up in landfills, which can be less harmful to the environment and human health, simplify the recycling process as it can be processed in fewer steps than before, and save money for users as the device starts at a price of only £149.99, $180, and replaceable parts can be bought individually from iFixit. As we strive for a more sustainable world, the Nokia G22 phone serves as a prime example of promoting durability, repairability, and environmental consciousness. It is imperative that more businesses embrace sustainable development to preserve the environment, conserve energy, prevent health issues, and ultimately contribute to a better world. We are Social Innovation Insight, with a special focus on social problems, innovation and ideas, social business, design and etc. If you are interested in any of these topics, please subscribe and hit the thumb up. Have a nice day.